During the SONA, ang sinabi naman ng Pangulo, para sa lahat na. But only in public hospitals.
Hindi pa kaagad nasabi yun ng SONA, Mr. President.
Yeah,
kasi,
so that's my question. Can you clarify?
no, hindi sinabing for what hospitals. Kaya nga, lahat ng... Well, maraming hindi nakapick up because I'm just saying na napakaraming mayors na lumapit sa atin
Yeah.
at nagtanong na,
No,
saan?
but-
Hindi
but
namin alam yan.
So hindi no balance yun?
Hindi nga. Kanina ko pa sinabing hindi
No,
nga.
sabi mo sa LGUs, it's no balance.
No, that's the name of the program. But
So-
it doesn't mean that it is no balance. That's why
So isn't that false advertising?
I think so.
From now on, I will not ask you questions.
Are you not going to ask me questions?
I'm making a point. Sorry, my dear sister.
Well, then we'll have to ask the Senate President to suspend the rules if
Senator Alan Cayetano, I move that he be recognized.
Senator Alan Peter Cayetano is recognized. This is of the record. There is an appeal from the Secretariat. Baka raw pwedeng sa bahay na lang kayo mag-usap ng mga kapatid.
Mr. President.
That's of the record. Anyway, levity aside, kindly proceed, Senator Alan.
Mr. President, it's a very good suggestion, except that sa bahay, ate ko siya, so hindi ko pwedeng takutin sa quorum. Pangalawa ho, si Secretary, pag dito, nangangako. Pag sa labas ng Senate, hindi. Eh, hindi naman tinutupad ang pangako. So at least dito, napapangakuan man lang tayo. So Mr. President, good evening sa inyo. Thank you for
Please
your
proceed.
patience. So, pangalawang gabi ko na po ata to, pero pound for pound kay Senator Coco, mas maikli naman po so far. Hindi, pero grabe naman, ang ganda naman ng performance niya. No? Senator Pia, Madam Chair, may I ask a few questions, please?
of course.
I will limit my questions to 2 questions para makauwi ng maaga. 2 questions to you, then the rest kay Secretary na.
So ako lang ang makakauwi, hindi yung presiding officer, hindi yung majority floor leader, at hindi yung staff. Ako lang pala yung pauwiin. Maraming salamat. Mahal talaga ako ng kapatid ko eh.
Hindi, kasi napapagalitan mo ako eh, sila hindi. So, no, first, I know this is something close to your heart, but I've been grappling with it also. Whether you talk about the markets, whether you talk about labor, whether you talk about yung call centers, business, movies, even in church, health, pinag-uusapan parating AI. So may I know both your personal opinion and the opinion of the DOH regarding AI and will they be leveraging that? Do they have a plan? Did they put money in their budget for that? I was just one comment. Parang 2-3 years ago, ang Minister of Education ng Singapore was saying something about AI in grade 2 to grade 4 in Singapore. So parang, is this another technology shift na maiiwan ng Pilipinas? And if yes, sana hindi sa health side, no? Well, for the record, I like
will
your
join daw.
answer. For the record, I like your answer better. In fact, I was expecting that some of the answers to some of the questions of all agencies in this budget hearing will be may AI, we're studying it, papunta doon. So like when you talked about inventory and the vaccines and the warehousing, ang sagot kanina was may app or may yung magdi-digital na and everything, di ba?
Opposed to pen and paper, digitalized na.
Yes, but that was saying nga eh, yung i-digitalize na 10 years ago yun eh. I-AI na ngayon eh. And
Exactly.
I learned this from Secretary Tugade. He was telling me, Alan, whether digital or manual, may science, kasi he was in logistics eh. So sabi niya, may science yan eh. You know, how the warehouse is set up, etc. And the digital just makes it easier. It doesn't fix the system, but I'll go to that later. I think in the next few years, more and more answers will be AI. But so let me just have this follow-up. So sa DOH family, sa executives, no, sa upper management, kay SEC at USEC, ASEC, do they have a consultant, a point person, or did they hire? So if we were talking about, kailan ba yung internet? 1993 more or less. So if we were talking about the internet, websites, etc., and this was 1993, I'd be comforted by the Secretary simply stating, it's new, hindi tayo magpapahuli, but I got an IT guy and he's helping us. And anyone who wants to help us, di ba? Pero it doesn't give me confidence to say na may ASEAN, may ganito, may ganyan. Kasi nga, and I'm not talking to the DOH family alone. No? It could be the DPWH na kaharap natin ngayon. It could be the DepEd, etc. No? So, may I ask that follow-up question? Do you have someone in your inner core, or at least a consultant for AI? I'm not talking about someone you can consult. I mean consultant, yung talagang nasa office nyo and doing everything about it. No? Yes and no naman yung question. Do you or don't you have?
They have, but ang binanggit nila is WHO and World Bank.
Yeah, so that's their consultant, not your consultant. Nakikiconsult kayo sa kanila. So anyway, I won't belabor the point. Ang sasabihin ko lang, get one, sana before the BICAM, kasi ang problema, if you say you're gonna do it soon, 2027 pa yon kasi wala kayong pera for that in 2026 eh. Ang problema sa technology, 1 year delay is not 1 year delay, di ba? So kung halimbawa infrastructure yan at sabihin mong wala kaming pera for a hospital next year. So when you put it in 2027, you're delayed 1 year. But when you talk about AI, if you're delayed 1 year, you're delayed 5 years. Uunahan ka na nung lahat ng iba.
What is that last?
I was saying, di ba, if, for example, if we don't purchase the table next year, we purchase it 2027, nahuli tayo lang ng 1 year.
Yes.
But when you talk about technology,
Oh yes, definitely.
so if hindi halimbawa, hindi mag-AI ang Senate next
No,
year.
or worse, guess what? We purchased the wrong AI because that's why I wasn't listening. I apologize for that. I was discussing with the secretary and his team na may budget sila for AI 400 million. My whole point is, how do you know that you will purchase the right AI system? How do you know?
That's why
How do you know? That's why there's a regulatory body that will give us advice, and it's basically for free or negligible amount because for them, they're just collating all the information of the health AI out there.
Like any other advisor or consultant, yung motibo importante, di ba? Kasi kung yung motibo niya kumita or motibo niya na siya malagay doon and everything. But anyway, I think we made our point there. Sabi ko 2 questions lang pero nadagdag yun. The second question is, can you help me understand the zero billing rule or concept ngayon? Kasi if you remember last budget hearing, kayo din po ma'am ang nag-defend and si Secretary din naman ang
Sorry,
sumagot.
are you changing the topic?
Yes.
Oh, wait, because my team is not ready for you to
Okay.
change the topic.
No, yeah, please.
Excited sila dito because nga we also
no.
happen to be the chair, handle the committee on futures thinking.
Kung ako masusunod, I'd like a commitment from them na seseryosohin nila to and a submission ASAP. Dahil, as you said, kung walang pera, bakit? Kung may pera, pero mapupunta sa
Mali, sa maling technology.
Sa mali, sayang naman.
Hindi, tsaka I just found out because my team was pointing it out that the numbers that we have is in millions. So the number here is 440. So it means we only have 440,000 pesos. So we don't even have the ability to purchase anything with this.
You can-
this is
no, you can
probably
buy-
the fee of the consultant.
440,000 pesos, you can buy 12 iPhones for that.
So, but my point is, Mr. President, we brought this to their attention early this year. Sana nasama sa NET, sana nasama sa budget appeal so that we can fully support. Kasi yun lang naman ang gusto natin from the start. Kilala nyo naman tayo na gusto lang naman natin matulungan kayo. So yun lang naman, we're ready to
Yeah.
move on to another topic, Mr. President.
But before that, one point lang na bringing up sa akin. Di ba yung, for example, sa call centers, may warning na baka mapalitan kayo ng AI.
Oh, all over. The news is it's all over how many people are losing their jobs in Google, in Apple.
And of course, AI naman, AI creators are saying naman na for every technology, it creates naman more jobs. But ito naman point ko doon. Ang kaibahan sa health, tuloy pa rin ang pag-alis ng health professionals natin eh.
Doesn't even change.
So kung tuloy-tuloy ang pag-alis nila, tapos hindi pa tayo marunong ng AI,
Double whammy.
double whammy tayo. Okay. So, going to the topic of the zero billing, last budget hearing, tinanong ko yon because the chairman of PhilHealth is actually the Secretary of Health. And he reminded me that that only refers to indigents. Diba? So, I'll go to details later all. Under the law, last year budget hearing, and it's under the law, no? The zero billing doesn't mean all PhilHealth.
So just to be clear, Mr. President, the zero balance is now a new creation. So even in the beginning, I was also of the impression that what are you talking about? The no balance billing was really for indigents only. But now the zero balance
Let
is
me
for
go to
all.
That's what I'm asking
Okay,
you
sure.
to clarify.
Okay.
Last year, nung binanggit ko na drawing lang naman yung zero balance, zero billing, which I also brought up sa hearing when Senator Bongo was held, and I also brought it up when I was the chairman of the Committee on Public Enterprise, no? But sinabi nga ni Sec, para lang yan sa indigents. And I have different issues there. But during the SONA, ang sinabi naman ng Pangulo, para sa lahat na. But only in public hospitals.
Hindi pa kaagad nasabi yun ng SONA, Mr. President.
Yeah,
kasi
so that's my question. Can you clarify?
No, hindi sinabing for what hospitals. Kaya nga, lahat ng... Well, maraming hindi nakapick up because I'm just saying na napakaraming mayors na lumapit sa atin
Yeah.
at nagtanong na,
No,
saan? Hindi namin alam yan.
For the record, so that people who are watching and tayo mismo and the mayors, governors, health practitioners knows, ano yung as of today, ano yung rule? Ano yung kompletong rule as of today? Para lang malinaw.
So now, today, the rule is, and this was all clarified, I have to say this is my own personal appreciation of how things were clarified
Yeah.
over time.
No, but can the
That-
secretary clarify it? Kasi iba nga tayo ng
the only point
interpretation.
I'm making, nandun pa rin ako dun sa, hindi yun clear sa akin sa SONA.
No, pero para
ang
clear-
ngayon, I'll tell you now what the secretary says. I'm saying also that ngayon, clear na siya sa akin. Pero nung sa SONA, hindi
So-
pa
so
siya
what's
clear.
the rule
So
as
what
of
the rule
today?
is now, and I also shared the rule with our colleagues earlier, is that if you go to any DOH hospital and you are a patient in a basic accommodation or ward, then zero balance ka, which means zero. Wala kang
Yeah.
babayaran.
Whether indigent ka o hindi.
It doesn't matter.
Okay.
Basta tao ka, Pilipino ka, pumunta ka sa DOH hospital at dun ka sa basic accommodation or ward, that means you will have a zero balance.
Okay. So kung hindi naman sa DOH hospital, pero indigent ka, zero balance ka ba? No balance. Ano ba difference ng no balance at saka zero balance? Ha?
So, pag pumunta ka ngayon sa LGU hospital, covered ka ngayon ng no balance billing policy and that is for indigents. What does no balance billing mean? It doesn't mean no balance. Kasi may balance. Kasi there are case rates but some of them are outdated, and as I also explained earlier, we are migrating to the DRG, which is a different system from the case rate na mas complex ang review niya ng babayaran. But for now, we still have case rates. So there's a big chance na meron kang balance.
Okay, so what's the difference between zero balance and no balance?
So
there's no
zero
such thing as
balance
zero
is the DOH hospital that talagang zero balance. Ang no balance sa LGU hospital is only for indigents, pero hindi siya, it's possible na may balance pa.
So hindi no balance yun?
Hindi nga. Kanina ko pa sinabing hindi
No,
nga.
sabi mo sa LGUs, it's no balance.
No, that's the name of the program. But it doesn't mean that it is no balance. That's why
So isn't that false advertising?
I think so.
From now on, I will not ask you questions.
Okay.
This is my next 100 questions.
Okay.
Yeah,
Thank you. Well, then we'll have to ask the Senate President to suspend the rules if you're not going to ask me questions.
I'm making a point. Sorry, my dear sister. I'm making a point na ang basis ng conversation is trust eh. So if you tell people no balance, pero sandali, may balance. Di ba? So why would they name it no balance kung may balance?
So
Di ba?
parang yung luma, di ba dati na parang sabi mo
Yeah. Mr. President, please, I will explain to the stenographer what is going on here. My staff is trying to explain to me what is the meaning of no balance, telling me that it is a PhilHealth program. But
Yeah.
once in a while, I agree with my brother. Take note, Senator Joel. Once in a while, I agree with him. No balance means no, none. Wala ka nang babayaran. Eh, meron nga. Madalas meron.
Yeah. So,
huwag niyo nang ipaliwanag sa akin kasi hindi ko yan kayang
Yeah.
ipaliwanag dahil sumasang-ayon ako.
Yeah, I'm sorry for that, but I did ask the permission of Senator Soto, our Senate President, and of course ngayon ang nakaupo si Senator JV, our Majority Leader. So with your permission, can we suspend the rules so that I can ask directly? I'll try to be as brief as possible para matapos ko tong issues, but I really think the Secretary should answer
Mr.
these
President,
issues.
and if I may advise my brother, please continue asking this topic because even after I already explained, and dapat pumapalakpak na yung mga katabi ko dito na I agree with you 100%, eh nagpapaliwanag pa rin. So,
Yes.
by all means, I will stand up,
And I'll
I will
do my
observe
best to
because
keep my cool, but I think we shouldn't leave the hall without clarity. Meaning either no balance nila talaga or palitan nila yung pangalan, di ba?
But let
So-
me end on a happy note. Happy ako na si zero balance truly means zero balance.
Yes.
Happy ako doon. And
So-
I just pray na there is enough funding na talagang hindi tayo babalikan next year
Yeah,
na
but
nagsara na
before-
yung ospital kasi yung MOE nila, wala na silang
Yeah.
pambayad sa ganito dahil nagamit na sa zero balance lahat. Sana naman hindi kasi nga,
Yes. But before you
pinaninindigan natin yung
turn
zero
over
balance.
to the good secretary, you confirm, di ba, that under the law, and in fact, the secretary is the chairman of PhilHealth.
Yes, that is
Yeah,
correct.
so he should be able to answer these questions.
Yes, and
Yes.
and the president is also here to assist. So, but I think if he wants to ask directly, there must be a motion to suspend the rules.
Yes.
Majority Leader.
Yes, Mr. President, with the permission of the body under our rules, particularly the section that I don't have right now, because I don't have the rules with me. Mr. President, upon conferring with the Minority Leader, obviously he's the one who's requesting for it, together with our members here in the chamber, I move to suspend the rules of the Senate to allow the DOH Secretary, Dr. Ted Herbosa, to respond directly to the queries of the members of the Senate.
There's a motion to suspend the rules of the Senate. Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved.
Thank you, Mr. President.